Welcome. In front of me is a Sony Xperia 10 Mark III, and today I will show you how to format your SD card. And to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to Storage, select your SD card, stick with Files, and then you want to tap on the three dots right here, go to Storage Settings, where you will find the option to format it. So give you a message that formatting will remove all the data from the SD card, so if there's anything on it that you would like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you simply don't want to, click on Format SD card. This will automatically begin the process, which takes about 5 to 10 seconds, at which point once it's finished you get this pop-up right here, click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.